what we got here. Mansory, and the car is this is sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the car. Look at the lines. Look at the carbon fiber here. These grills, the badge. I mean, look at this. Like a Lamborghini. Look at the front lip. Oh my god. It looks mad, guys. It looks mad. It's like a space shuttle, right? But the better thing, I mean the best thing is, oh, let's open it. Let's see how does it look like from inside. This is mad, guys. Italian flag, the white leather, look at the black stitching here, the seats. It looks sick. Let me just take a seat in the car for a second. Oh my god, this is so comfortable. Whoa. Lamborghini Urus. Look at the front one here. It's like a big infotainment system, and then there is another screen. I mean, look at the amount of details that this car has. Look at the white stitching over here, and there is like Alcantara on front. So it's a mad car, guys. The steering wheel is super hot. See, it's like a titanium or whatever that, and then this famous button that you have for startup. Let me just leave the keys inside. I mean, look at it. It looks mad, guys. I'm speechless. I'm actually speechless. Shall we start it? I mean, let's start the car, guys. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it, but pretty sure we will. Look at it. Switch on the air condition, the big screen, and everything. Let's see. Let's hear the bubbles. Look at the exhaust pipes. And that was not even a cold start, guys. That was not even a cold start. I mean, it looks sick. This is like a madness. The size of the wheels and everything. Look at these splitters here with the Italian flag, all carbon fiber, and then the upper one here as well. It's like a mad car. It's a mad car, guys. I mean, I'm like a kid in a toy store right now. Banging Olufsen. I mean, and we will get now the exhaust. Guys, madness. It's like a storm. It's like a thunder.
Holy shit, dude.
I mean, it's like I'm speechless, guys. Like, share, subscribe. CarFreak 458. Thank you so much.